Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple, only one row repeating beginner crocheting shawl. I hope you like it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and your kind comments again. You can reach me on Instagram, you know. Please share me which you crocheted. Okay, I love them very much, and I will share your page on there. It's a little community, but I think we like each other, and we love crocheting. I will be so happy to see you there. Okay, it's only one row repeating. I want to say it again. You can use which yarn you want. If you want to use cozy yarns and big hooks, I think you can use that pattern on winter again, but it's preparing for spring, maybe more better. I hope you like and you will try that. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple and so simple border to one row repeating crocheting shawl. Let's start to crochet. I use cotton yarn, and I use with 3.5 millimeter hook. Its size is 3, but you can use which yarn you want, and you can use proper hook with that. First of all, make a slip knot. That's so simple pattern, only one row repeating. It's so simple. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, then turn back and insert into the first stitch. Grab your yarn, join two sides together with slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains, yarn over, insert that little hole, grab your yarn, pull through two, make a V stitch here. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into the same hole, grab your yarn and make one more double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chain this time. This is our center of our shawl. Yarn over, insert into same hole and make a double crochet. Do the same thing this side. Chain 2, make double crochet, chain 2 and make your last double crochet. This is first row. We have 5 V stitch, 4 of them between of the 2 chains. In the center we have 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Always you will turn with 6 chains or 5 chains. Yarn over, insert into that first space, chain 2 space, and make here double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, skip the next chain 2 space, come to chain 3 space and make here your middle corner. Double crochet, chain 2, make one more double crochet in chain 3 space, chain 3, yarn over, make one more double here, chain 2 and make one more double in chain 3 space. This is always same, our middle center. Double, chain 2, double, chain 3, double, chain 2, double. Chain 3, yarn over, skip next chain 2 space, come to your last chain 2, make double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert into the third stitch and finish with double crochet. This is second row, and I will show you your repeating row. Always you will repeat that row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your work and make your increase. Insert your hook. First chain 2 space and make double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, come to this chain 3 space and make here V stitch. chain 2 and make one more double. When you make, this is a tip of that shawl I will give you now. When you make a V stitch, you will always make in this V chain 2, but between of 2 V's you need to make chain 3. Okay, don't forget that. You make here V stitch, so you need to make here chain 3. Yarn over, skip this chain 2 and always make your V stitch on chain 3 spaces. Come to chain 3 space, I'm on the center, double, chain 2, do the always same thing, make one more double, chain 3, make one more double, chain 2, make your last double in the center of chain 3, here. I make my V stitches always chain 3 spaces. I will make chain 3 between of the V's. When I want to make V stitch, I make 2 chains. Now I made my V's, so want to make next V, so I need to make here chain 3, yarn over, where I make my V stitch on chain 3 space, so skip that, come to chain 3 and make here double, chain 2 and double. I made V, so I need to make chain 3, yarn over, come to last space, double, chain 2, insert into the third stitch, make my last double. You will understand when you repeat it 2 or 3 rows, you can do that easily. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your work, yarn over. Also you can make here, but I make here, not important. Make my double crochet here, make my first increasing V. This is V, so I will make here chain 3, yarn over, come to chain 3 space, I will make my V on that, double, chain 2, make a double in the same space, I make my V, so chain 3, yarn over, skip that chain 2 because I will make my V on chain 3 space, double, chain 2, double, chain 3, skip chain 2, come to chain 3 space, I'm on the middle space, so double, chain 2, double, chain 3, double, chain 2, make one more double. I make here 3V, one of that the center, chain 3. I make my V, so I will make chain 3, come to chain 3 space, make your V stitch, chain 3, skip here, come to chain 3 space, make your V, chain 2, make one more double, chain 3 and make your last V stitch, double, chain 2, insert into the third stitch and make your last double. You will always make your V's on chain 3 spaces. Skip the previous rows V, between of that V chain 2, between of 2 V stitch make chain 3. Don't forget the center, make always 3 V stitch, 2 of them between 2 chains, the center 3 chains. One more time I will show you here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn my work, yarn over, come to first space and make my beginning V, chain 3, come to chain 3 space, make my V, double, chain 2, double, chain 3, skip that V, come to chain 3 space, make V, chain 3, skip that V, come to chain 3 space, make my V, double, chain 2, double, chain 3, come to center, skip that chain 2, come to chain 3 and make my center V's, double, chain 2, double, chain 3, double, chain 2 and double. You will always repeat until which size you want to make it bigger. I make here a little big, you can see that. Now I will show you how you can make a border, a simple border on it. I will show you now. I come to first corner, make a slip knot, come to first corner, 2 and 3, count as my first double and add here 4 more, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you come to chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, yarn over, come to chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come to chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, chain 2 space, I will make 5 double, 3, 4, 5. When I come to chain 3 space, join with a single crochet, I will come to center, I will turn to you. Okay. I make my shells, I come to corner, skip that chain 2 space, come to chain 3 space and make here this time 8 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip this chain 2, come to chain 3 space and join with a single crochet and do the same thing on this side. I complete and turn to you. I complete my border. I hope you like this tutorial. It's only one row repeating, so simple, beginner friendly crocheting. Hope you like and you will try. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and thanks for your subscribes and kind comments again. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.